Hello guys, good morning. This is Maggie Raj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the MCG, means moving coil galvanometer. So first of all, what is moving coil galvanometer? So we can say that it is an electronic instrument which used for the measuring of current or current direction. Okay, it used for the measuring of current or current direction or current sensitivity or voltage sensitivity. Okay, so moving coil galvanometer, it is an electronic instrument, MCG. This is known as moving coil galvanometer. Okay, and it used for measurement of current or current direction or current sensitivity like CS, and voltage sensitivity like VS. Okay, so MCG, an electronic instrument whose full form is moving coil galvanometer. It is an electronic instrument which used for the measurement of electric current or current direction or the current sensitivity, or also we obtain the help of this current the voltage sensitivity. So it is used for the measurement of current or current direction or current sensitivity. Okay, and its principle is torque proportional I. Means in the MCG or in moving coil galvanometer also attached a circular or rectangular ring or loop which placed between two strong magnet, and whenever in this loop we will flow some current I, then it rotated about its own axis. Okay, and also produce some torque. That torque is directly proportional to the current whatever be flowing in this loop. Okay, so simply we can say that MCG, it's a torque in the MCG, it's a torque whatever be produced to whenever this coil rotating about its own axis is directly proportional to the current whatever be flowing in this loop. So this is the principle. So let me discuss here. This is its diagram. These are two strong poles like N and S. N terminal, and this is S like this, and here placed this circular loop. Okay, between these two strong poles, and these are the permanent magnetic poles. Permanent magnetic poles. Okay, this is the circular loop in which wounded several number of turns which rotated about its own axis. Okay, and here also attached a detectometer by which we measure the direction of current. Okay, this is a detectometer. Okay, so here produce a radial magnetic field like this. in this way. So in the moving coil galvanometer, okay, in the moving coil galvanometer produce the radial magnetic fields, okay, and here this circular loop placed between two strong poles, write down this circular loop placed between the two strong poles N and S, or we can say that two strong permanent magnetic poles N and S. Whenever some current I is flowing in the circular loop, then produced torque equals to NIAB. This is the maximum torque. Okay, like this is the first equation, and due to this torque here also produce the radial magnetic field. This torque is not only produce this radial magnetic field but also increases this intensity of the radial magnetic field. Okay, so let me consider here this is the maximum torque, that is NIAB sin theta, and the value of theta is 90 degree. For this is the maximum torque. Okay, and whenever this coil rotated, then let me consider here phi deflection formed when this coil is rotated about its own axis, when the circular coil rotates about its axis, then this torque is directly proportional to phi, then torque is equals to k phi, where k is torsion constant. This k is equals to torsion constant. इसी को ऐंठन स्थिरांक बोलते हैं, ऐंठन स्थिरांक, torsion constant. So this is also torque and this is also torque. So both torque balanced with each other. So due to this, by equation first and second, k phi equals to NIAB. So phi is equals to NIAB upon k. Okay. Now let me discuss here the current sensitivity. First of all, current sensitivity CS, and it is equals to deflection in per unit current phi by I. So according to third equation, by equation third, phi is equals to NIAB upon k. So phi by I is equals to NAB upon k. This is equals to CS. So current sensitivity is equals to NAB upon k. Okay, and it is equals to the current sensitivity is equals to the deflection in MCG in per unit current phi by I. So now let me discuss here voltage sensitivity and voltage sensitivity, that is Vs, and it is equals to phi by V. Okay, so by equation third, phi equals to NAB upon k. Okay, so voltage sensitivity Vs equals to phi upon V, that is equals to NAB upon k, I upon V, and I by V is equals to 1 by R. So voltage sensitivity is equals to NAB upon KR. So this is the voltage sensitivity, and which we can define the deflection in MCG in per unit voltage is called voltage sensitivity, and this is the formula. Okay, let me consider now some specific condition in this current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. So find our condition first. Find only number of turns replaced 2n, then this is the formula. Cs equals to NAB upon K, and Vs equals to NAB upon Kr. So Cs dash is equals to 2NAB upon K. n को रिप्लेस करके हमने 2n कर दिया, तो 2n हो जाएगा, मीन्स करंट सेंसिटिविटी डबल हो जाएगी. ओके, एंड वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी Vs dash is equals to 2NAB upon Kr. It is also be double to Vs. Okay, so Vs dash is equals to 2Vs. It means whenever number of turns replaced to 2n doubled, then Cs and Vs both will be doubled. If number of turns be tripled, then Cs and Vs may be tripled. Okay, will be tripled. So now some another change. If n replace 2n and r replace 2r, then Cs dash equals to NAB upon K, and current sensitivity doesn't depend upon the resistance. So resistance, so Cs dash equals to 2Cs, means अगर इसको नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स डबल करते हैं तो करंट सेंसिटिविटी डबल हो जाएगी, रेजिस्टेंस भी डबल करते हैं तब भी करंट सेंसिटिविटी डबल रहेगी. बट वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी के लिए देखते हैं, अगर 2NAB upon K into 2R, so in this condition NAB upon KR, it means Vs dash equals to Vs. In this situation voltage sensitivity doesn't change. अगर सिमिलर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करते हैं, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स डबल, रेजिस्टेंस डबल, ये ट्रिपल, ये फोर्थ टाइम, ये फोर्थ टाइम, देन वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. बट करंट सेंसिटिविटी जितने टाइम्स नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स होंगे उतने ही टाइम्स करंट सेंसिटिविटी इंक्रीज कर दी जाएगी. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी विल सॉल्व दिस करंट सेंसिटिविटी एंड वोल्टेज सेंसिटिविटी.